Hi guys! Today I will show you one of the best ways to run multiple accounts in Roblox at the same time. Before I show you the tutorial, I would like to ask you to subscribe and give a like. And now let's move on to the tutorial. First, we need to go to the description of this video and visit the official website of the extension through the link in the description. This is what it looks like. Next, you need to download the extension itself. After you've downloaded it, click on the three dots here. Go to Extensions, then to Manage Extensions, and make sure Developer Mode is turned on. Drag the downloaded extension here, and if it looks the same as mine, then you did everything right. Then, open the Roblox page and launch the extension. After that, add all the accounts you need. Next, in order for the extension itself to work, we need to download a utility using PowerShell. I'll show you how to do that right now. We click on the extension, then copy this text. Next, we open PowerShell, and after that, we just paste the copied text. After the installation is complete, we go back to Google and click on the extension. If everything worked out for you, it should look just like in the video. Now we can enter any mode with multiple accounts at the same time. I'll show you what it looks like. As you can see, everything is working for me. Be sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Bye-bye!